We're following the weather. We're expecting wind and rain, but some heavy winds at times here overnight.
Yeah, so this evening you're going to want to make sure you bring in all those loose objects from outside and just stay off the roads later tonight too. But thankfully it looks like our peak gusts will come at a time when not many people are on the roads. However, for the coast, already seeing those damaging wind gusts. Take a look at Astoria. Again, our gusts there 68 miles an hour and the sustained winds at 32 miles an hour. And we're going to continue to see this as we head through the next several hours at least. And of course, the heavy rain continues to come down after already well over an inch in Astoria too. So we have a strengthening storm system. You can see it right here. It's going to continue to head to the north and east. So as that continues to lift to the north and also as this cold front that's just off the coast here continues to head inland, that's what's going to really promote these really strong winds. We're going to see high seas. That continues through this evening, 25 to 30 foot seas, damaging wind potential for the coast, and of course very heavy rain. And some of that is going to translate inland too. We're going to have to watch out for the potential for stray damaging wind gusts here and there tonight as well. Current gusts you can see between 55 and nearly 70 miles an hour up and down the coastline. We're starting to see some gusts between 20 and 25 miles an hour for valley locations. These are still mainly coming in from the east. We're going to have to wait for that southerly wind shift to watch out for the potential damaging wind event here in the valley. High wind warnings for the coast and the coast range. That goes until tomorrow morning. Gusts to 70 miles an hour will be possible. And then, of course, we have wind advisories in effect for the valley where winds won't be as strong. 48 right now, east winds at 20. And so we'll be watching for that southerly wind to change over 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusting to 40. Peak winds, I think, for us in the valley will be between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. Of course, we'll start to see it hit a little bit sooner the farther south you are, but that's when I think we'll see the strongest winds. It's going to be when that front comes through. You'll notice really heavy rain coming in, and it's going to be at that point in time that we'll have to watch out for those strong gusts. For now, we're trying to clear some of that rain out, and we'll continue to see a break from it, the action, until this front that's just off the coast swings on in later on tonight. So I'll fast forward to about 10:30. Front is still just off the coastline there. We have some spotty light rain ahead of it. As we head towards midnight, that's when this front's going to be crossing on through, and that's when we're going to see our strongest winds. After about 3:30 in the morning, that front heads east. We start to clear out behind it, and then we'll have to watch for developing showers at times behind the front. Here's a look at the wind gusts, timing it out. 6:30, still looking at those gusts up near 70 for the coast. 7:30, same thing. By the time we hit 11 o'clock, you can see the gusts here in the valley starting to pick up between 40 and perhaps even 45 miles an hour. By tomorrow morning, blustery, but the damaging wind event will be over, and we'll start to get a break from some of the chill too. Temperature wise tomorrow, we'll top out in the mid 50s and we'll see more showers, but at least we'll get some outer temperatures going for a little while. As far as the showers go, most of that will happen early in the day. So waking up tomorrow morning, a few spotty lingering showers, and then as we head towards the lunch hour in the early part of the afternoon, we'll occasionally see some downpours. We'll also get a little bit more mountain snow going, and it'll be in those downpours that we may hear some thunder. But by the time we wrap up Thursday, so make sure you take advantage of it. We're going to be clearing things out. We can get some sunshine right before it goes down, and I think we'll have a nice dry evening ahead, a lull just before the next system moves in. So make sure you put that on your calendar tomorrow evening, late afternoon and evening, to get out and enjoy. Next system's up Friday. We have yet another one for the weekend that cools us down. Again, upper 40s and low 50s. That means more mountain snow. And of course, it stays wet through at least Tuesday. It does look like next Wednesday, Thursday, we start to get a break. We start to warm up, maybe get some more sunshine and dry out a little bit.
That'd be nice.
Yeah.